Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to earn with Temu app. Temu is a rising e-commerce platform that offers several ways to earn money. By utilizing its features, you can turn your shopping and networking into a source of income. Here are some effective ways to get started. First of all, you have to download the app on your mobile phone just by going to your Play Store or App Store and then download the app. As you can see, I already downloaded it. Now, to start, you can check the affiliate program. Temu's affiliate program allows you to earn commissions by promoting products. After signing up, you'll receive unique referral links. Share these links with your network on social media platforms, blogs, or via emails. For every purchase made through your link, you earn a percentage of the sale. Second thing is referral rewards. Temu encourages users to invite others to join the platform. By sharing your referral code with friends and family, you can earn credits or cash for every successful sign up or purchase made by your referrals. These rewards can often be redeemed for discounts or transferred to your account. The third way is exclusive promotions. Temu frequently runs special campaigns like cashback offers or bonus points for bulk purchases. Take advantage of these deals to save money or accumulate rewards. The fourth thing is social selling. Share your favorite products on social media to attract potential buyers and highlight trending or discounted items to encourage purchases through your affiliate links. And for other tips, you can focus on promoting high demand products to increase sales and constantly engage with your audience by sharing reviews or tutorials, and monitor Temu's promotional updates to leverage new earnings and opportunities. And that's it. These were some informations on how to earn with Temu. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.